Hi, and welcome to our channel. Now we come to the overall rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars, with the Nextbase 222X. At the time of testing, the price was around $100. For preserving evidence in front of and behind the vehicle. Strengths: compact, rear view camera included, light intensive lens, large display. Weaknesses: no connection to smartphone possible, no memory card included. If you want to record more than just the area in front of the car to preserve evidence in case of accidents or vandalism, you either need an additional rear view camera or a model like the Nextbase 222X, which already comes with one. The compact and lightweight dashcam captures an area of 140 degrees in front of the windshield. That is not above average, but is sufficient. With an aperture of f/1.6, the lens is very fast. The resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels in Full HD is standard for the market. Before shooting, the camera has to be loaded with a microSD card, which is not included in the scope of delivery, and can have a maximum capacity of 128 GB. Since no connection with the smartphone is possible, the large display for viewing the recordings pays off. According to customers, the operation is simple, and the camera holds securely on the pane, thanks to the included mount. Our conclusion? Of course, each product has its own strengths and weaknesses. So everyone should decide for themselves what suits you and of course your wallet best. We have linked all the products in the video description for even more details. Have you already decided? Or maybe you have one of these products at home. Then we would be happy if you let us know which device you prefer, and above all, why. I hope that I could help you a little deciding on your purchase. If so, please leave a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. That would really help us and the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you very soon. Goodbye.